Hi there, students. A zero-sum game, or even a net zero-sum game. Okay, this is normally talking about business. This is a situation where if one side gains an advantage or one side earns or wins more money, then another side or the other side loses more money. So imagine players are betting on something or playing poker. If you win 100, then I lose 50. John here loses 25 and Susan loses 25. So the total in the system is the same. Yeah, there is no net change. There is no overall change. Yeah, different players have different amounts of money, but the amount that the winners get is the same as the amount that the losers lose. Okay, and this is the idea of a zero-sum game. Yeah. The wins or the amount won or the advantage gained is exactly the same as the loss by another or all of the other parties. Okay, and this is a zero-sum game. What I win, you lose. But then you can have the opposite of this, a non-zero sum game. For example, a negotiation between unions and factory owners. Yeah, if the unions go on strike, maybe the unions want to get more money for their workers. And the factory owners want to maintain their profits. But if the workers go on strike, the factory doesn't make any money and the workers don't get paid. Both sides lose, and that's a non-zero-sum game. Yeah, because in this scenario, there are only losses. Very often, business is looked at as win-lose. I win, you lose. And the amount I win is the amount you lose. That's a zero-sum game. But if both sides win, and the more each side wins, the more the other side wins, then this is not a zero-sum game. This is a non-zero-sum game. So maybe by cooperation, but maybe two companies cooperate with each other and both of them make more money. That's a non-zero-sum game. Okay, so in a zero-sum game, the losses and the profits are equal. You can have this in politics as well. Yeah, and this is maybe a government takes an action. Yeah, and this has positive effects and negative effects, but the negative effects and the positive effects are the same, or they have the same weight, the same strength, and that would be a zero-sum game. Or perhaps a government increases taxes, so we're going to get more money. But then less people pay tax, and this ends up as zero. That would be a zero-sum game. Yeah, the percentage paid by people increases, but the number of people paying decreases, and the amount of revenue or the amount of tax generated is zero. The difference is zero. Yeah. Okay, it's the same. There is no change in the total. So in a zero-sum game, the total in the system doesn't change. Whereas in a non-zero-sum game, the total inside the system changes, and that's the difference. So, formality. This is a business word or a word in economics. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally maybe win-win, win-lose, lose-win, something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. I guess you could use it in something quite formal as well, but it would have to be something about economics. Yeah, and well, the origin, it's zero change or non-zero change, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Zero-sum game and non-zero-sum game.